Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this pen tool. So this is the pen tool in the toolbar. It's one of the important tool for selection and cropping the image. So what we will do, let's delete this layer. Here you can see the layer. Okay, as you can see, the layer you select is highlighted. For example, if I select this layer, then you can see this one is highlighted, the second one. But if I select the first one, then the first one is highlighted. That means currently this layer is active. So then apart from that, you can hide here. You can see the eye tool, it is hidden. So simply let's do one thing, delete this layer. So in a separate video, in the next video, I will also show you that how to work with the layer. But before that, let me show you this one in Brave. Now suppose you want to delete this layer, then here you can see a tool shortcut here. This one, this delete one, a recycle bin layer. You can see this tool. So press this one and you will be prompted if you want to delete this layer. Then press yes. Now that layer is deleted. Now once again, Control A, it is already selected. So Control A, then copy, or Control C, or simply go to edit and copy here, and then press Control V, that means paste. Again Control T, Control plus T, and then like this. But the problem is that here you can see now you want to remove the background. You want to remove the background. So what I will do to remove the background precisely, click this pen tool, okay, and then Control plus, press Control CTRL and then plus sign, okay, so that you can zoom. You have already used zoom tool, okay, or simply you can do zoom from here also, okay, but it is easier to use shortcut tool. So I press Control plus, then it is zooming, and then press space keybar so that you can bring this hand tool. And here, from here, I will start the selection. Okay. Now press P key. Which one? This. Press P key. Okay. Or through mouse, you can go to here. This one. So both are same. You can see here it is displaying the shortcut key. This one. So if you press P, then the pen tool will come. Now click and then press spacebar. Now move it, leave spacebar, and then keep selecting like this. Keep moving the spacebar. Apart from that, you can also use the key. So click here and then keep pressing. Don't leave the mouse. Keep pressing and you can make like this. Okay, so that you can make it faster. And also you can make it a curved line. Now press Alt key and click on the point where you left last. Keep pressing left key and click here. Okay. Now again you move ahead. So again, oh, other tool got selected. So again, if you want to make like that, then click here and then keep pressing the mouse and then leave it. If you don't keep pressing, then if you don't press Alt key, then it will happen something like this. It will become a zigzag. So press Ctrl Z, Ctrl C, Alt Z, and then press Alt key, and then press mouse, and then you move ahead. So wherever you are seeing hand tool, that means I'm pressing. Here once again I will use curve tool. Okay, this curve one. So you can adjust like this. Now press Alt and then click on this point. Now move ahead. Or Control Z. Like that. Also, if you press control key, then holding this point, you can adjust like this. Press control key and keep pressing control key, and then through mouse you can adjust like this. Okay. Now leave it and press Alt key and then click here. Okay. So again, like this. Now click on this endpoint. Okay, so our selection is complete. Now press Control minus. Okay, so you can see the selection is complete. Now press this tool. Which one? This one. Selection tool. Okay, click on this and then edit A. If you press A from keyboard, then and now inside the selected area, right click this and then click on make selection. Right click and then this make selection, and then keep it 0 and then OK. Now we want to delete the outer area. We want to delete the outer area. For that we have to select inverse. So go to select here and you can see here inverse. Control Shift I. Control, you can see the shortcut here. If you press Control Shift and then I, then you can inverse select. So I'm pressing Control Shift I. Now it is inversely selected. Opposite. Now press delete button. In your keyboard, press del, this one. Okay, in your keyboard. Yes. Oh, sorry. Now it is not inverse selected. So once again, let me go here and select inverse. Now press delete. You can see the outer white part is now deleted. And then press Control D. Control D for deselection. Okay. So here you can see now you can using this move tool. This one you can move your image. And also here is your, you can see the white one. So press Control plus and then once again check this pen tool. Okay, so this is the endpoint. Now again, right click on this and make selection. Oh, there is something. Make selection. Okay, Control J actually it selected more area, I believe. So if you want to see where is the endpoint, then press this. So you can see here, yeah, it is selected completely. So the point is meeting here. Now right click on this and make selection. Yeah, it is perfect selection now this time. So once again, press delete button. Now the white part is deleted. If you want to see, then you can see that it became transparent. So similarly, once again, from your pen tool, press P and then you can delete unwanted section. For example, if you want to delete this part, then right click on this and make selection and delete. Later I will show you there is other tools through which you can select these things better. But for the time being, I'm using pen tool. That's why I'm showing you that how you can delete unwanted section. So this way you can delete the unwanted section. Alright. So that was the power of pen tool. Pen tool, I myself always use pen tool because it's very precisely you can select and crop the image. So that's it about this pen tool. Again, in drawing section, I will come back in this pen tool, but for the time being, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.